Model, 2014 Renault Master front-wheel drive LM39 dCi 125. 9-seater factory-fitted crew VMCAB super rare. Body, white, minibus. Mileage, 189,183. MOT, the 14th of August 2025. Engine, 2298 CCM 90-125 E5C. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No awning lights on the dash whatsoever. This starts and drives brilliantly. First to see will definitely buy. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after. Pride and joy. Features, parking sensors, electric windows, aircon. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £7,950 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info.